What is the pinnacle of today is only a stepping stone for tomorrow. Continual progress improves efficiency, saves time, eases mobility, and facilitates better information flow. We strive to find the fastest way to tomorrow. Public transport is at the epicenter of technological advancement, and so is conveying relevant information to passengers. At LANCom, we can trace our 30-year history back to a single goal we wanted to master: the perfect flow of information. Sharing and displaying relevant information is what our Passenger Information System PIS does best. In real time, dynamic and connected, working in conjunction with safety systems and GPS signalization, all controlled through the central web interface. Multi-platform and multilingual, compliant with EU PRM-TSI legislation. It enables more efficient planning of daily routes and trips with a transparent presentation of information. We continue focusing on transport solutions with our RSMS system, which offers monitoring and controlling capabilities for the entire freight fleet. It enables ease of management for the history of data entries, current conditions, and scheduled maintenance. The RSMS system also generates automatic alarms, provides a stock overview, and creates maintenance work orders. We understand your complex challenges and provide a system that ensures your fleet's smooth operation. State-of-the-art custom solutions are the core of what we do.